Come on, kids, let's learn about animal alphabets. A for ant. A for ant. B for bee. B for bee. C for chicken. C for chicken. D for dinosaur. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for hippo. H for hippo. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for newt. N for newt. O for owl. O for owl. P for pig. P for pig. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rat. R for rat. S for snake. S for snake. T for turtle. T for turtle. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for whale. W for whale. X for x-ray fish. X for x-ray fish. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.